Hello and welcome to my CS50 final project, where I've decided to make a Flask application, which is basically a general knowledge quiz. So the purpose of the game is to maintain a streak by answering questions correctly in a row. So the way that it works is the user will log in. That information is saved into a database, and then the first screen we're presented with is this leaderboard. So this is the world leaderboard of the top 10 scores in the database, and a bit of a JavaScript button here to reveal the person who's logged in their best 5. So as you can see here, the best one being my top one here on the leaderboard here. Okay, so we have another screen here that just explains how to play. And basically you can choose between easy, medium, hard, which will give you equivalent of 1, 2 or 3 points. And obviously maintaining the streak as well, you get the streak points too. So let's go ahead and play. So here presented with the play screen, and the user gets to choose between an easy, medium or hard question. So I'm going to go for an easy one to start off with. So who directed the 2015 movie The Reverend? I have absolutely no idea, so I'm going to go with this one. And the answer was Alejandro G. Inarritu. So this is a flash message, which basically is an array of sentences, which is just a random choice for when the streak is over. And as you saw, the ticker tape words coming in there, letters coming in there, saying that your streak is over. That's also a bit of JavaScript. And then you get a summary of your final score and what the answer was had you answered it correctly. And as you can see, all the questions are via an API coming from this open trivia database, where I've constructed the query to be one question based on the user selection, easy, medium, hard, multiple choice to give the user the very best chance of maintaining their streak, and a number of different categories to choose from, which is all randomized. So let's play again, and we'll go for a medium one this time. So what's the capital of Switzerland? So this one is, I think it's Bern. It's either Bern or Zurich, but I'm going to go for Bern. And it is correct. So because it was a medium one, I got 2 points for that. And here we go, the streak is on. So let's go now for an easy one. What is the hottest planet in the solar system? Let's go for Mars. Oh, and the correct answer was Venus. So there is also a database which keeps a running total of the score, which keeps updating every time the new question arrives. And that is my CS50 final project quiz. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.